In the earlier lecture, we have covered the concept of git merge. When there are changes in the two branches, or there are changes in the one branch and we want to merge the changes of two branches, then we use the merge command. But sometimes there is a concept of conflict occurs. What is conflict? Like Git confuses like which changes we have to merge. For example, we have two branches. One is the master or the main. Another one is the feature / ABC. Now, if we do changes in the same file and in the same file also we are doing changes in the same line, then Git confuses like which change we want to accept and which change we want to discard. So when this type of concept occurs, there is a conflict in our merge. So we have to resolve that conflict manually. Let's create the conflict and then we will merge that. Please follow my steps carefully. Now first open to the working directory, that is GitHub practice. Now we are in the working directory GitHub practice. Now check in which branch we are right now. We are in the main branch. Check whether there is uncommitted changes or not. It shouldn't be there. Yes, our branch is clean. Now create one branch. We have created a new branch and we have switched to that branch. Now check whether we are in that branch or not. Yes, we are working on the same branch, feature content page. Now go to the VS Code. In the VS Code, create a new file. Let's name this conflict demo.py. Now we are adding some dummy command. Now go back to the command line. Now first add the changes. Check whether yes, a new file is available now, conflict demo. Now add this file. Commit your changes. Yes, now we have commit. Now if you want to see the history, you can easily see the history using the git log 1 line. To the 1 line we will see the summary part or the short form of the logs. If you want to see the detailed log, then use on the git log. Now go back to the main branch. Check out to the main branch. Git checkout. Okay. Now if you go back to the VS Code, now this file is not available. Conflict demo. Let's create the same conflict demo file in the main branch also. Control N. Now we will add some different print command like print hello only. Confirm the name. The name should be same in both the branches. The cutted version is in the feature content page branch and this one is in the main branch. So name should be same, conflict_demo. Now same, commit your changes here also. Git add, git commit. Okay. Now what we will do, we are in the main branch right now. Just confirm it. We are in the main branch. Now we will merge the feature content page to the main branch. How we will do that? Simple command git merge, which we have used earlier. We will write the branch to which we want to merge the changes. Now you can see it has given us the warning conflict. This is the conflict because we have changed the same line in the same file. So Git confuses like which change we have to accept, whether we have to accept the main branch change or the feature content demo page branch change. So go back to the VS Code. Now you can see here, you can clearly observe right now in which branch we are. We are in the main branch. Okay. So you can see current change. Current change means in which branch you are working. It will show that change. Print hello. Print hello means this is the change available in the working branch. Currently working branch is the main branch. And incoming changes the branch which we want to merge. That is feature content page. From the feature content page we are getting this change. Print conflict demo. So it's our choice whether we want to accept the current change. Current change, like we want to accept the change which is present in the working branch, or we want to accept the incoming change, the change which is coming from the branch which we want to merge, or we want to keep both the changes. Okay, there are three options available right now. Fourth one is the compare changes. This is nothing to do, it will just compare the changes, but it will not resolve the conflict. So either you can do these three things. Although in practical version, when we are merging one branch to the another, okay, so we will accept the incoming change to resolve the conflict. In the most practical case, we will do like this only. Now Control S, again go to the command prompt and git status. Now git add, we will add that to the staging, then we will commit our changes. In the message we will add resolved. Okay, now we will again try to merge the changes. Okay, so now we have merged the changes to our main, we can say in the main branch. Now we have merged the changes from the feature content page to the main branch. By this method, you can easily resolve the conflict. In actual production case, there are many developers working on the same file. So for example, any developer changes the same line of code which you are changing. So what you will do, you will first pull those changes into a branch, then you will again do your changes after pulling those changes of another developer. Then okay, first you will pull the changes of another developer into your branch using the offset incoming change. Then after that, you will do your changes. By this method, you will not get any kind of conflict. For any question, please ask in the comment box or you can mail me. Thank you.